Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of this term. So as you already know, we are studying video game music for this term. Now that can mean any type of video game really, from Nintendo to Game Boys to online games. I'm sorry if I'm naming games that may be a bit old. And I hope that all of you have played some sort of video game in your life, whether it's on your phone, on a computer, or on some type of Nintendo Wii type of, or PlayStation, Xbox, that type of thing. So today we are going to be understanding the different layers of video game music. So in our first week, as we all know, I gave you a PowerPoint on the different elements of music. So we have pitch, tone color, duration, dynamics, structure, and texture. So there are 6. Today we are focusing on texture of video game music. Now, this might be a little bit confusing, like texture, what do you mean different layers of sound in video game music? Well, the main layers in video game music is background music and sound effects, which is what we're going to be learning today. We are going to be creating our own sound effects using stuff at home, at school, using different objects to create sound effect like sounds. So we'll be talking about sound effects today. In video games, to make them interesting, there's always a type of sound connected to a video game. It makes them more interesting, and it makes you feel like, if the character is jumping and it makes like a jump sound, I guess maybe makes you feel like you're jumping. That was a very weird scenario. What we're going to do now is we're just going to watch some Super Mario Brothers Wii 2-player, and we're going to talk about the different sound effects that we hear in that video. See, I have the Super Mario Brothers Wii 2-player game on my screen. This link is also in your Seesaw post if you want to watch it again. But let's just have a listen and watch. Alrighty, so that's the end of what we're going to be watching today. Now, when you listen to that, you obviously hear the background music that's going like da 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 da, and then you're hearing different sounds that are connected to the actions in the Mario game. So, for instance, when we are seeing Mario jump, there is like a jump sound, and there are a lot of different sound effects in this game. Some of them include, like, because it's an ice world, you can hear like the scraping of the ice when they're walking on the ice. At the end, when they died, you can hear the sort of sound effect. And even at the beginning, they also say, "Let's go." Is that right? When they're, and again, I don't know if you noticed it, but we can also hear like the helicopter going. You can hear that sound over here where the boat is flying. And then they're going, let's go. Yeah. And we can also hear them walking as well, like the as well as when they're picking up an item or they're hitting their head on a coin. It also makes a different sound to sort of portray their action. So that's what we are going to be doing today. So for this activity, what I want you to do is I want you to watch. You can either watch this whole video, which is 12 minutes, or you can just pick a small section and choose 3 actions that Mario and Luigi do, or something that you can maybe create a sound effect for. So 3 actions of Mario and Luigi actions. And I want you to create different sounds that can portray those actions. So these can be using different things around your house. So maybe a pencil, a piece of paper, or maybe if you do have a piano at home, you can use that to create different sounds for their actions. So yeah, that's our activity. If you don't like if you don't like Super Mario Brothers and you want to do another video, that's totally okay as well. Just make sure that you link the video game YouTube link that you've used and put it in down below so I know what game you've chosen. So you can choose any type of game as long as it's appropriate for one, and it has like the character is doing some type of action, so you can create these 3 sound effects. So I'm going to talk now about how you submit your work. So what I want you to do is, after you've created 3 sound effects and you know what action they're for, what I want you to do is I want you to video yourself creating that sound and showing me what that sound is, and then explain to me why you think that sound is good for the action that you've chose. So for instance, if you are doing Mario jumping and maybe you've chosen like a ding noise, you could say that, because it's a high-pitched sound, it sounds like Mario is jumping. That's the sort of description I would like. If you are not allowed to record yourself in any way, that's totally okay. You can write it down in the ad response page of Seesaw, and you can write it down in text box on the post. So yeah, I hope you have fun creating your sound effects. I can't wait to listen to them all. See you next week. Bye.